Excuse me, guys. Do you mind if I take your photo really quick?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. It is for my social media, okay?
Yeah, don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Don't worry, don't worry. Are you like a photography student or just a hobby?
It's just a hobby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Can you stand a bit closer? Yeah. Can I take your individual picture if it's okay?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I'll show
Oh, that's so
the-
cute. Oh,
Thank you.
That's so cute.
Can you stand there, please? What's your name, by the way?
I'm Coco.
Coco.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Juby. Your name?
She.
She.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, She. Where are you guys from?
We're just from England. Yeah.
Oh, cool. She. Can you look there? Thank you. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. And you, please. Coco. Coco, can you turn around and look at me? Yeah, like that. Thank you so much. There you go.
Oh, they're really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. It was really nice meeting you. And have a nice day.
Thank you. Oh. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Cheers. Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your picture?
Sure, I don't mind.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Thank you. It's for my social media, yeah.
That's fine.
Sorry. There you go.
Sweet. Can I get your social media?
Sure.
Got it.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Have a nice day, mate. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Do you mind if I take your photo? So actually I'm walking around and taking pictures of people I meet for my social media.
Yeah.
Can I take your photo?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. I'll show you my page first of all.
Thank you.
So yeah, that is my page.
That's lovely. Brilliant.
Thank you.
Of course.
So we'll just take from here. Yeah. What's your name, by the way?
It's Michaela.
Michaela. Those are good. Can I take a couple more from near the telephone box? Thank you. Are you in a rush?
No, I'm not.
Thank you. Can you stand on this side for me, please? Yeah, here. Thank you. Here.
Here?
Yeah, perfect. I'll take one last one.
Yeah.
You can lean on this and yeah, like that.
Like that?
A little bit side. No, that side.
The other side?
Yeah, perfect. Like that. go.
Oh, these are so nice.
Thank you so much for your time.
Oh, that's cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Can you show me your page again so
Sure.
I can follow it?
Sure. That's me.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time. Nice meeting you. Bye bye. Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo? So I'm just walking around and taking
Yeah, I
pictures of
don't mind.
random people. Thank you. Can you look here, please? Can you stand and yeah, thank you. Can you stand there for me, please? Thank you so much. What's your name, by the way?
Nora.
Nora.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Juby.
Nice to meet you.
Can you face this side? Yeah. 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 I like that. Can you look there?
Oh shit. That's it.
Thank you. Can I take like one more? I'm just looking for a spot. Yeah, you can sit here. Are those your friends? Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
That's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a nice day.